Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we draw and coloring alphabets A to Z. Subscribe to our channel. First we are using red color. Kids, now we coloring the alphabet of A. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is B. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we coloring G. And the next one is H. Now we coloring the alphabet of I. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit, and the next one is K. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. And the next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for octopus. The next one is P. And the next one is Q. Q for queen. R for rose, R for rice. S for sun, S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. The next one is V. Now we coloring the alphabet of W, and the next one is X. Y. The last one is Z. Today we coloring alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.